Again, products that work and don't work. This helicopter here, this is a really good helicopter. It cost about $40 Kmart, Walmart. You get this helicopter here, this lights up. It's worth every penny. Very easy to use, very easy to control. Beginners, this is the helicopter for you. You see the size of this one? Pretty good size. $40. It's got lights that go on the front and the back. There you go. That's the front. Then you got a light also. Know if you could see here. Anyway, it's got a light on the back that blinks. This you want to fly at night. I guarantee you, everybody's gonna run up at you. Everybody's gonna wonder what it is. It's worth every penny of $40. This sucker goes 100 feet up in the air. 100. Oh, and it's worth it. It's worth it. It's the best helicopter you can get. Don't mess around. Spend $20 on a cheap helicopter. Get you a Sky Rover. Get you one of these. Sky Rover. Good brand. You stick with that brand because it's going to be worth it. You're not going to get screwed buying this helicopter. The controller here looks like this. That's what it looks like. This one here, up and down. Makes it go up and down. This other one, back and forth. That's all there is to it. Easy. You spend your money, you buy this helicopter, you're going to be happy with it.